हाय, हैव यू हर्ड द द्रौपदी स्वयंवर स्टोरीज फ्रॉम महाभारत जहां पे अर्जुन नीचे देख के मछली की आंख पे निशाना लगाता है? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग रिलेटेड टू द माइंडसेट फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी. अर्जुन ऐसा क्यों कर पाए? एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी हाउ टू थिंक एक्चुअली. वी हाउ टू do in our life to achieve a goal. So that was the one goal for the Arjun कि द्रौपदी को पाना. That was a goal, that was a target for him. And there was a terms and conditions कि आपको निशाना लगाना है मछली की आइस पे. और भी धनुर्धर थे वहां पे जो नहीं कर पाए, सिर्फ अर्जुन कर पाए. उसका रीजन यही था कि he was completely focused towards the target and towards the terms and conditions कि उनको जो कुछ भी करना पड़ेगा वो करेंगे. And he was completely focused. So number one thing, you have to have your target ready. You should have something in your mind that you want to achieve. Then after, you have to do a research. You have to find out what you need to do to get it or to reach at that level. और फिर वो आपको be focused बन के करना है. You need to be focused on that, on your activities, on your tasks which are required to bring you at that level. Say for example, if you want to be a tennis player, right? So what should be your task which you need to do every day in your day-to-day life? Practice, right? Only practice. And you need to be focused towards your practice. अगर आप सही से practice करोगे, if you become very accurate towards your game, then nothing can stop you. No one can stop you, I mean to say. So number one, get your target. Make your target. What do you want to become? Identify that stuff. What do you want to become? Then find out what you need to do that. Sometimes there will be external conditions for you to achieve that stuff. But you should be ready, you should be focused every time. So focus was the main point here, which was related to the mindset. Arjun was bravely focused. He was bravely focused, I would say. उनका फोकस बहुत ही ज्यादा था यार. आपने देखा होगा, आपने if you have a chance, just go and YouTube it. वो नीचे देख रहा है लेकिन उनके दिमाग में वही चल रहा है कि क्या मिलने वाला है उनको. एंड व्हाई ही इज डूइंग दिस. उनको सिर्फ मछली की एक आंख ही दिख रही है वो पानी. दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज मोर फोकस्ड. उनको आंख ही नजर आती है, वो भले घूम रहा है, वो ऊपर वाला पूरा पूरा घूम रहा है लेकिन उनको आंख ही दिखती है. दैट्स व्हाट फोकस इज. फोकस का मतलब ये होता है कि you will just see what you want to see. There shouldn't be any distraction, right? There shouldn't be any distraction. That's what the focus is, right? So be focused, find out your target and be focused to get to bring yourself to that target. Thank you. Bye.